What's up guys, welcome back to Trail Boss Max. Today we're finding out which one of these is faster, tougher and more fun to ride. The MTB or the mini dirt bike. 4 challenges, 1 winner. Let's go. First challenge is a sprint test from A to B. The winning bike gets 2 points. Let's go. I'm at starting point A now, finishing at B up there. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Hey, that seemed real fast. So let's see if I can beat it on the full sus. Let's go. Now I'm on the full sus, about to be on the start line. Now I am. Let's see if I can beat the dirt bike. 3, 2, 1. I think that one was close. Maybe only like a second between it. But let's see the times. Now we're going to go into the slalom course. It's around 6 cones in and out from A to B. Fastest time wins. 3, 2, 1. Let's go! I think I hit 1 cone. 5-second penalty. Let's see what my mountain bike can do. Let's try this slalom on my mountain bike. Let's see if we can beat the dirt bike. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. No cones knocked down, nothing deducted. Okay, now we're going into the slow race. I'm gonna see how slow we can possibly go. Probably gonna fall off, but gotta give it a go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Really hard, yeah, not very good, but let's see how the MTB can do. Okay, now I'm going to try the slow race on the mountain bike. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Feel like I'm going to fall over. For this challenge, the obstacle course, we're going to start in between the 2 white cones. We're going to pick up a cone, hold it, go around that white pole, and then chuck it into the bucket. Finish in between those 2 cones that we started on. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Butt shakes. I think I done quite good. I got my 1 in the basket and I think my time was all right. So let's switch over to my mountain bike. Now I'm on the mountain bike. Let's see if I can do it any better. Let's just get in line. Whew. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Quick. Just grab this, 1 hand on the bar. Now got hold of it. Let's go up, around the cone. And in the buckets. No. Yeah, that's 1. Now we've come to the end of the challenges. Let's check the results. So on challenge 1, the sprint race, the scores were, so the dirt bike is 4.26 seconds and the mountain bike is 5.8 2.88 seconds. So the best time was the dirt bike, so that's 2 points. Now let's go into the slalom course. Time for the dirt bike, 5.60 seconds, and for my mountain bike, 4.76 seconds. So the mountain bike wins the slalom course, 2 points. Now it's 2-2. Moving on to the slow race. The dirt bike, 12.53 seconds. Mountain bike, 17.31 seconds. So the mountain bike wins, 4-2. Now, moving on to the last challenge, the fun challenge. My dirt bike had 25.95 seconds and my mountain bike had 16.38 seconds. So my mountain bike wins, 6-2 to the mountain bike. I guess the mountain bike's the best. Which one would you want to ride out of these two bikes? Just leave it in the comments. Like, comment and subscribe. Go boss it!